Welcome to Grammar Quiz. But before we start, shout out to. Okay, let's start. The answer is A. We'll be catching. The answer is B. Was studying. The answer is A. Was working. The answer is C. Am eating. The answer is B. We're playing. The answer is A. Is talking. The answer is C. Will be playing. The answer is B. Was having. The answer is C. Will be watching. The answer is C. Are taking. The answer is B. Was barking. The answer is C. Will be studying. The answer is C. Will be working. The answer is A. Are playing. The answer is B. We're watching. The answer is A. Is cooking. The answer is C. Was raining. The answer is A. Are attending. The answer is C. Will be traveling. The answer is A, is reading. The answer is C, will be barking. The answer is B, were presenting. The answer is B, was crawling. The answer is C, will be serving. The answer is A, is preparing. Write your score in the comment section.